Are your photos not showing on Messenger? You're not alone. Let's solve this frustrating issue together. Step 1. Check your internet connection. A stable connection ensures your photos load properly. Next, ensure that Messenger has permission to access your photos. Go to Settings and adjust. If photos are still missing, try clearing the app cache. This can resolve various glitches. Don't forget to check for app updates in your app store. An outdated version may cause issues. Lastly, restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot is all it takes. If you still face issues, consider reinstalling Messenger. This can fix persistent bugs. Now that you know these steps, you can enjoy smooth sharing on Messenger again. Don't forget to share this video with friends facing the same issue. Let's help each other out. Get back to sharing your memories without a hitch. Happy messaging! For more tips, subscribe to our channel and stay updated. Thank you for watching.